So majority of you usually ask me, why did you look up whenever you were trying to cut your crease? So I decided to go ahead and show you guys how to cut your crease if you have hooded eyes. So if you want to see how to slay your cut crease, then keep on watching. So having a hooded eye just means that whenever you look up, your eyelids roll all the way in. Now for me, mine roll all the way in to the point where you can actually see that it looks like I already did a cut crease, but I didn't do a cut crease. So when I'm doing eyeshadow, I generally place my transition shades above where my eyelid would stop if I looked up. Now, whenever you have to cut your crease, you want to make sure that your cut crease actually is cut high enough to show your design or shimmer shade or whatever. So if you have a hooded eye like I do, the best way for you to cut your crease is to take some of your cut crease product. For me, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime in the shade number 2. I'm going to take a little bit of my product. I place it on my eyelid as close to my lash line as possible, and then I look up. Now whenever I look up, where this mark is where you can cut your crease if you don't want your shimmer shade or whatever you're putting down to show. If you want whatever you're putting down to show, for me, because I want it to appear as if I have a bigger eyelid space than I generally have, I like to go ahead and cut above that mark. So this mark here is the mark of when I look up, that's where my eyelids will stop. The second mark that I make is where I'm actually going to cut my crease. So as you can see, this crease is cut. Whenever I look up at you, you can still see a little bit of the Eye Prep Eye Prime, which is telling you that whenever I look up at you after my eyeshadow is done, you're still gonna see some of that eyeshadow. Now let me show you what it's gonna look like when you don't cut above where your crease mark goes. So here's the difference. When you cut exactly where your crease mark stops, your cut creases are gonna look like this when you're looking up at someone. When you cut above your crease mark, your cut creases look like you have extra, and I mean extra eyelid space. So this is what it looks like when you cut your crease above the mark. So let me know down below in the comments if you're gonna try this, because cutting your crease above the mark gives you the appearance of a bigger eyelid space, and you can still see my eyeshadow look even when I'm looking at you. Bye.